Good morning. Where I have stopped in the last class, I have completed the lesson and poem, that is, which poem it is? Mr. Sunday. Okay, Mr. Sunday I have completed, and also what is the main theory of that Mr. Sunday, children? Everybody will like the Sunday. That theory they have given in that poem. Okay. Today I am going to start with a new lesson, children. That is the Tooth Fairy. Okay. Next, before starting the lesson, let me tell you one thing about the FA. FA first. Okay. How many lessons I am going to give you, children? An hour of sharing, grandpa's secret Santa. What's the news? Up to here, lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, I am going to give you for the FA1. Okay. Next, whatever PDF I have sent you, you have to read it properly. If you have not completed the CW, first you have to complete the CW. Afterwards, you have to start to read the for FA examination. Okay. Shall we start the new lesson, children? Take out your textbook, page number 46. Before explaining about this lesson, let me read one page, children. After reading that one page, I am going to explain about that page. Okay. Take out your textbook. In that page number 46, you have to open. Lesson number 5, the Tooth Fairy. Today I am going to start with a lesson, the Tooth Fairy. The Tooth Fairy. Okay. It's a Tooth Fairy. Look, my tooth has fallen out. ಅವಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ನೋಡು ನಂದು ಟೂತ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಲುಕ್ ಯು ದ ಟೂತ್ ಫೇರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೈಟ್. ಸಿ, ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಟೂತ್ ಫೇರಿ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಟ್ ನೈಟ್. We too don't know who is that tooth fairy. Who is the tooth fairy? Let's read about her. ಯಾರು ಅವಳು tooth fairy? Okay, let's start to read it now. Angelina the fairy lives in fairy village. Okay, Angelina is the name of girl, children. She is living in a fairy village. Angelina, 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 where she is living in a fairy village, a land far away. She is very excited. It is her turn to visit Earth today for the very first time. Angelina fairy mother says, today you must choose a job. Choose carefully. Think of how you can help others. Fairy mother sprinkles fairy dust on Angelina. Off you go, she says, blowing her kiss. Angelina flies to Earth and lands in the park. She hears some children talking. Kusha is not well, says Dora. A small girl with glasses. She hasn't come out to play with us today. I miss her, says Vanya. Me too, says Rima. She makes me laugh. Angelina wants to know why Kusha has not come out to play with her friends. See here, children. This is about the page number 46. Angelina the fairy lives in fairy village. Angelina is a girl, right? She is living in a fairy village, a land far away. She is very excited. It is her turn to visit the Earth today for a very first time. She is coming to land. Don't know where she is, but it's the day which Angelina is coming to the Earth. Fairy village. Angelina fairy mother says, Angelina ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ fairy mother, today you must choose a job. Today you have to do a job. What job? Choose carefully. Think of how you can help others. What's your job, children? Helping others is a job, right? You have to choose it. How you are going to help others, and you have to look properly. And she said, fairy mother sprinkles fairy dust on Angelina. Angelina ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಂತಿರುವಂತ ಧೂಳನ್ನ ಜಾಡಿಸಿದವಳು. Off you go, she says, blowing her kiss. Angelina flies to Earth and lands in the park. See, Angela, she came to the land. Landing land adlolu. Earth ಮೇಲೆ land adlu. Then in a park, where she land, children? In the park. She hears some children talking. Kusha is not well. Okay, when she landed on the earth, she hears some children voice. Then she said, ಕುಶಾ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆಲ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಡೋರಾ. ಡೋರಾ ಕುಶಾಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಿತ್ತು? ಆಂಜಲಿನಾಗೆ ಬಿತ್ತು ಕಿವಿಗೆ. ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ವಿತ್ ಅಸ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಕುಶಾಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಶಿ ಡಿಡಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಸ್. ಐ ಮಿಸ್ ಹರ್ ಸೇಸ್ ವನ್ಯಾ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್. ಮೀ ಟು ಸೇಸ್ ರೀಮಾ. ರೀಮಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ವನ್ಯಾ ಅವರಿಬ್ರು, ರೀಮಾ ವನ್ಯಾ ಕುಶಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೇರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಡೈಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆಡುವಾಗ ಕುಶಾಗ್ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆಲ್, ಸೊ ಶಿ ಡಿಡಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ two people are missing her. What are those names, children? Which are those names? Vanya and Reema. Okay, she makes me laugh ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳು ಮಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಗೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು ಅವಳು. Angelina wants to know why Kusha has not come to play with her friends. Okay, ಏನು ಆಂಜಲಿನಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಲು, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. ಕುಶಾಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಅವಳು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವಳು ನನಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆಂಜಲಿನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಶಿ ಹಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ಲು. ಶಿ ಫ್ಲೈಸ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಟು ಕುಶಾಸ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಆಂಜಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇವತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ದೆನ್ ಶಿ ಫ್ಲೈಸ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಟು ಕುಶಾಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕುಶಾ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು? ಏಂಜಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದವರು ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಶಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ದ ಅರ್ತ್. ದೆನ್ ಶಿ ಹಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ Kusha. That Kusha was not feeling well, right? She flies across the park to Kusha's house. Kusha is inside. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದವಳು? She directly goes to the Kusha's home. Who is children? Angeline. She has lost a tooth and does not feel well. Okay, see here, Kusha ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು? ಒಂದು ಹಲ್ಲು ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು, so she was not feeling well. Angeline sprinkles fairy dust on the Kusha's head. Kusha cannot see a fairy, but suddenly she feels better. Kusha runs out to join her friends. See here, ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು? ಅವಳೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವಳು ಫುಲ್ ಆರಾಮಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಶಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು? ವಾಪಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ಲು. ಓಕೆ, ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಸಿ ಕುಶಾ. ದೇ ಪ್ಲೇ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಡೈಲಿ ಒಂದು 4-5 ಜನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ? ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಹೌದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಅವಳು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ, ಅದು ಅಕ್ಕಿ ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರ. ಹಂಗೆ ಕುಶಾನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ವನ್ಯಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಮಾ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏಂಜಲ್ ದೇವತೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಶಿಕೆ ಬಂದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು? ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕುಶಾಗ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಫ್ಲೈಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು? ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿರ್ಲಾರ್ದನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ಓಕೆ, everyone is happy to see Kusha. They play a game and sing songs. Okay, when they have seen that Kusha came to play with them, they become very happy. Okay, that's night Angelina goes back to fairy village again. That fairy village, her village children. Okay, she is back to the fairy village. What did you see on the earth? Fairy mother asked. Did you choose a job here? ಅವಳು ಕೇಳಿದ್ಲು, ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು. ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಯಾರು? ಫೇರಿ ಅಮ್ಮ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಅರ್ತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮದರ್, ಐ ಸಾ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ Angelina, I love the way they talk and play and sing songs. A little girl lost her tooth today and I made her feel better. I want to help children like her. See her. ಅವಳು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ಲು, ನೀನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವನ ಅರ್ಥೊಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾರು ತೊಂದರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಹರ್ ಮದರ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಶಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ವೇರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕುಶಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಕುಶಾನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲಿಸ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಶಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಹರ್ ಹೋಮ್ and she made her cure. Okay, after that suddenly she back to the fairy village. Then her mother asked, what you have done job today? She said, one child was not feeling well, so I made her to cure and get it back with her friends and they are singing and they are playing very happily. That made me to feel happy ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಾನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. Helping others is a great job, fairy mother says, and whenever a child lose a tooth, you can bring it back to fairy village to turn it into a star. Seriously, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಹಲ್ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಾ ಅದನ್ನ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಅ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So Angelina became the tooth fairy. Since then, when boys and girls lost a tooth, the tooth fairy come to collect it. Then she turns into a twinkling star to shine over a fairy village. See here, children. It was a nice lesson. What nice lesson? Fairy village is a village of Angelina. Okay. Angelina means it's a angel, right? ದೆನ್ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ನೀನು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗು, ಇವತ್ತು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡು, ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅವಳು ಹೋದಾಗೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು, ಮತ್ತು ಅವರೇನು ನಂದು ಖುಷಿಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಖುಷಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆರಾಮಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹಲ್ಲು ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಹಲ್ಲು ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಎ ಟ್ವಿಂಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಟೂತ್ ಫೇರಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮಾರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್, that surely will get it back in future in other way. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂಥರ ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಥರ ನಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮಾರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್? 3 girls, right? What are the friends? Kush, Meera and Vanya, right? Who was not feeling well? Kush, ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅವಳಿಗೆ, ಟೂತ್ ಫೇರಿ, right? Next, it's about the lesson children. Next, shall I read it one time? Actually, without reading I have explained this one, right? Now I am going to read it complete one time. Okay, lesson number 5, the tooth fairy. Angelina the fairy lives in a fairy village. Angelina is a girl, children. She is a fairy. Okay, she is living in a fairy village, a land far away. She is very excited. It is her turn to visit earth on for the first time. Okay, ಅವಳು ದೇವಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಅರ್ತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್. Angelina fairy mother says, today you must choose a job. Choose carefully. Think of how can you help others. Okay, you are going on that earth today, you have to do any one job today that should be very helpful to others and also for us also. Her mother advised. Fairy mother sprinkles fairy dust on Angelina. Off you go, she says, blowing her kiss. Angelina flies to earth and land in a park. Angel, it's an angel, children. She hears some children talking. Kusha is not well, says Dora. A small girl with her glasses. She hasn't come out to play with us today. I miss her, says Vanya. Me too, says Rima. Rima and Vanya were missing the Kusha. She makes me laugh. Angelina wants to know why Kusha has not come to play with her friends today. Next, look at page number 47, children. She flies across the park to Kusha's house. Kusha is inside. She has lost a tooth and does not feel well. Angelina sprinkles fairy dust on Kusha's head. Kusha cannot see fairy, but suddenly she feels better. Kusha runs out to join her friends. Everyone is happy to see Kusha. They play games and sing songs. Next, that night, Angelina goes back to fairy village. What did you see on earth? Fairy mother asked her. Did you choose a job? Mother, I saw lots of children. Mother, Amma, I saw lots of children, says Angelina. I love the way they talk and play and sing songs. A little lost her tooth today and I made her feel better. I want to help children like her. Helping others is a great job, fairy mother says. And whenever a child loses a tooth, you can bring it back to fairy village to turn into a star. So Angelina becomes the tooth fairy. Since then, when boys and girls lose a tooth, the tooth fairy become to collect it. Okay, tooth fairy anta yaake ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅವಳಿಗೆ? She is coming to land to collect the tooth of the boys or girls. Okay, so we are calling as a tooth fairy. It's a lesson, children. Okay. Then she turns it into a twinkling star to shine over the fairy village. Okay. Why this lesson named as a tooth fairy, children? There was an angel. Okay. She used to come to the earth and she used to collect the tooth of the children. So by taking those tooth, she used to convert it as a stars. Okay. So they have named this lesson as a tooth fairy. Okay. I hope everybody have understood very neatly, children. Next, what you have to do at home today? You have to learn all the meanings of lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because I am not going to give you any writing works. You have to practice the meanings. Okay. See what meaning, how you are going to write. If I have given you 5 meanings in first lesson, you have to put up 5 words. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a 5 columns and do it. Practice today all the meanings in HW. Okay, whatever I have given you in the CW. Turn page number 48, children, now. Taken. Look at reading 1. Who says the following lines? 3 lines they have given, children. We have to say who, tell it to whom and everything. Okay. Kusha is not well. She hasn't come out to play with us today. Who is telling this one? Vanya, right? Vanya is telling to her friends. A little girl lost her tooth today and I made her feel better. ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಹಲ್ಲು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ಲು, ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಲು. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವಳು ಬೆಟರ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರ ನಾನು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದರು? Angelina, right? Next, helping other is a great job, Angelina. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? The mother, his mother told to Angelina. Okay, Angelina. Next, answer the following questions. Where does Angelina live? Angelina, where she used to live in a fairy village. Okay. Where does she land when she visit Earth? To the park. Park alli land ಆಗ್ತಾಳೆ. Why does Kusha not come to play with her friend? She was not feeling well. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. How does Angelina help Kusha? What she have done, children? Angelina sprinkles the fairy dust on the Kusha. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಆರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. Okay, it's about this lesson, children, and these are also question answers. Okay, in the next period I am going to tell about the suffixes, full or less. Okay, shall I complete now only? Okay, see here. A suffix is a group of letters that is added to the end of a word to form a new word. See here. Suffix is a letters which we add to the end of the word. Okay, to make it meaningful word. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, harm plus full. These are the letters which we are adding at the end of the word. Okay, harmful. Harmful. If we add these two, it will also become a meaningful word, right? About this, children. Next, harmless. It is also harmless is also meaningful word, right? See here, you have to write like this. Care, careful, careless. Colorful, colorless. Fearful, fearless. Help, helpful, helpless. Use, useful, useless. You have to write like this in your home, children. Okay. Complete page number 49 I am going to give you. And also, as I have said you have to put the meanings in one page and practice those all the meanings. Okay. I hope everybody understood the fairy tooth, children. Complete page number 49 in the textbook. Okay. ಮತ್ತೆ learn and write all the meanings in EHW. Okay. See here it's the first homework. What first homework you have to do? Page number 41. It's a suffix related exercise. Okay. You have to write this in a textbook. It's one homework. Next, another learn and write all the meanings of in ESW. Andre meanings 1 to what fourth lesson ತನಕ meanings ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay. You have to write those all the meanings in ESW and try to learn it children. Why? Because next week that FA1 exam is coming now. So you have to get prepared for that. Okay. I hope everybody have understood the homework as well as the class. You have to read that lesson at home. Written homework? Okay. Thank you children. Now I am going to wind up the class. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. All the best for your FA1 preparation. Okay. Meet you in the next class.